For dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing, boss. Doding draws for your lead, moving a party outside. Quick Storm, Ziklag is on the outside, running by the rail. Golden Money, then moving a party outside. Nice and DC. Matikas running in between runners, just like it. Then running on the outside, unopposed. And Careless Whisper running at the tail of the field as they round towards the last 450. Quick Storm, the favorite, leading the field by about 2 lengths. Ziklag is right behind in second, racing now in third from the outside. Nice and Boss Doring Matikas, and down the stretch they come. Quick Storm this time by about 7 lengths. Matikas now in second by the elbows. Doring Ziklag, nice and easy unopposed. And finally, Quick Storm. Matikas close between Boss Doring unopposed. Then comes Nice and easy for your Pentafecta.
Okay,